ass one right there, man. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I hope everybody is having a wonderful day. Today's video should be a pretty fun one. So today I'm going to be showing you guys basically just how to make your Genesis Coupe pop and crackle without a tune or anything. So before we hop into it, I want to talk about a few things. First off being the mods that you need to basically just make your Genesis pop. So really, you don't need a tune, you don't need hardly anything besides a catback exhaust and test pipes, and then basically every time you downshift or let off, your Genesis will pop. And I do know also that I have a 2013 3.8. So the 2013s, of course, the first year, the BK2s, they did not come with automatic rev matching. So if you have a 2014 or up and you put a catback and test pipes on it, since it has the automatic rev matching, it will pop and crack so much more on every single downshift. Like literally, like I obviously won't be able to show you guys that because I don't have a 2014 with rev matching, but I will do my best to show you guys what a 2013 with catback exhaust and test pipes can do and sound like, basically. So yeah, basically if you have a 2014 or up, just expect your car to basically pop 10 times as much as mine does. So yeah, let's go ahead and get right into this video, guys. Before we start driving though, and before I let the car warm up and we start raising some hell and getting some pops and whatnot, I do want to tell you guys how this is done. So from my experience, I would assume that it's basically the same on all Genesis Coupes, that basically if I get my car to about 3,000 RPMs and then let off the throttle, it just pops on the way down and it sounds awesome. Or sometimes it pops on the downshifts, but like I said, I do not have the automatic rev matching because I don't have that new of a car, so it does not really pop like it would if it had it on the downshifts, because trust me, the pops on that thing are nasty. Don't get me wrong, this one still pops a lot, but just know that if you have automatic rev matching, like I keep saying, your pops will be amplified. So I'm gonna go ahead, get the car warmed up, we're gonna get on the road, and then I'll show you guys how to get her popping. This is going to be a semi-cold start on a 2013 Genesis Coupe 3.8. One more thing that I wanted to touch on real quick before we jump into the driving part, but basically I do believe that with this setup, I have the ISR race exhaust and depot test pipes, and I do believe with this setup that my car is capable of shooting flames. However, I've never seen it shoot flames, I've never had anybody tell me it can shoot flames, but for some reason all over my back bumper, I always get, I don't know if this is gonna pick up on camera, but like I just get soot all over my back bumper, and I don't really know if this is just dirt from the road that kicks up off the back tires or if it's soot from shooting flames, but I'd like to think it's soot from shooting flames because I don't have that dirt anywhere else on my car, that black dirt, besides on the back. So yeah, with this setup, there is a potential that you could shoot flames, but that is not confirmed, and I will try to get that confirmed to let you guys know. So let's go ahead and get to it. All right, so I'm gonna try and demonstrate now. So we're at about 2,000 RPMs. All you gotta do really is let it build up to 3,000 and then let off. And as you can tell, that was not a great pop, but don't worry, I'm gonna get some good ones for you guys. Another little one, but nothing big yet. There's a decent one. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. And if you lose traction in this car, it cuts all power. So when you lose traction, basically straight pipes, it just makes a huge ass popping sound and it sounds sick. Some nice ones there, nothing crazy. Nothing too crazy yet still, and this dude's in the way, unfortunately. As you guys can hear, it does little pops basically every time I let off, but nothing crazy. The crazy ones are the occasional ones. And if you have a 2014 or up with the rev matching, the crazy ones are basically every time instead of occasionally. Right there. That was a nice one. That's the kind of pops that I'm talking about. I was really hoping for a nice pop in the tunnel. Now, one more thing I wanted to say is, maybe this is just on my car, but I've found that first through third gear are the gears that if it's gonna pop, it's gonna pop in those gears. Like, I mean, sometimes it'll do some little nice pops and cracks in, you know, fourth and fifth, but for the most part, it's 1 through 3, and you're gonna get the nastiest cracks possible. What in the hell? That is a camel. I live in Kentucky and it's wintertime, and that is a damn camel. That one sounded pretty good. That was a nice little one right there. I don't get it right now. Like, normally I can get some pretty consistent nice pops. Like, at least like that almost every time I let off the gas. There was 2 in a row, like I was saying. Another good one. Here we go. Get it to 3,000, let off. As they fall, she pops her way up. Yeah, that's a camel. I don't know if you guys can see, but that is for sure a camel. Hi, camel. Over there chewing on some hay. That was a pretty decent one. That was not too bad at all. That was not too bad right there. That was not bad at all either. That was a good one, actually. Not too bad a one right there, but nothing crazy. That was a pretty decent one right there. Another good one. That was a good ass one right there, man. Another good one. Here we go. We're getting some good ones in a row. Not bad. Not bad again. That was a good one right there. That was a banger. That was an absolute banger. All right, everybody, as you guys just saw, we got ourselves some pretty nice pops there. If I get any more awesome pops recorded, pops, cracks, whatever you want to call it, recorded before I upload this video, I will throw them in to show you guys, because I don't know if you guys can hear it as well as I can. Obviously you can, I guess, because it's on video, but if you guys could even hear it half as good as I can, this thing pops like a madman pretty much. And like I keep saying, if you have the automatic rev matching, it will do those loud ass cracks basically every time you downshift. Like how mine would only do 1, like the rev matching will do like 3 at least, and it'll just sound like a damn machine gun going off. It sounds sick. But yeah, really, that is going to wrap it up for this video, everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, do not forget to drop a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. But like I said, that's all for this one. Peace out. I will see you guys in the next one.